What's going on, everybody? Today we're at Circus Circus, gonna do a room tour of the West Tower Queen Room in room 34827. Let's check it out. Alright, as you can hear in the background, this is a very kids friendly. To your left is the bathroom. So you've got your mirror here. You've got the ice bucket and cups. Here's your sink and countertop. Here's your toilet, and then here is your shower. So you've got a standard shower with the tiling here. Then going into the main part of the room, before you get in there, to your left is a full body mirror, so you can check yourself out before you head out. Opposite side is your closet area. So you have a ironing board, your irons on the floor. There's a luggage rack, hangers, and an in-room safe that if you need to lock things up, you've got two sides of it. Going into the main part of the bed area is your two queen beds. You got a lamp in the middle and a standard clock, nothing too special. And then there's the phone to the room. And then you've got a drawer here if you need some bedside storage, that's there for you. And then opposite side of the beds is a flat screen TV with more drawers here as well. So if you're looking for storage, you've got plenty of it here. And here's the desk area, so if you need to get some work done or you need a space to do some work, you've got a desk area here with a mirror over top of it as well. And this is the city view room. So your view is of the city. So you'll see the mountain and the city views from here. And that's gonna do it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.